Morning friends, so right now it's 6:36 and we are leaving from Manzanillo. It's raining heavily, so we couldn't see the sunrise, but at least we were on the coast. So now we will be driving towards the La Cruz, which shows around almost 7+ hours driving. So I'll record if I get something interesting in between, otherwise I'll see you over there. We took a quick breakfast break. We really need a coffee. So we just reached the Pacific side, La Cruz. Right now it's 2:27, so well in time. Let's check out the room.
No. Buenas. Hola.
Hi. I have a booking.
Under which name?
Azar.
Azar, okay. Yeah. Ja, Nera. You have a dog?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Like this. Yeah.
But she's
But she's okay. She's
she's fine.
Yeah. So yeah.
But she's a very different dog.
Yeah, she's a different dog. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Are you a photographer?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, many people do a photography of her because she's different. Okay, guys. And the dog?
Jeannie.
Jeannie.
Yep.
Jeannie. Oh, okay, Jeannie.
We adopted her like a year before. She's a rescued dog.
Really?
Yeah, she was on street. That's why she's not very much friendly with other dogs.
No, but you know, maybe she can be. Because this one is not friendly, but I rescued her also.
Oh,
yeah?
okay.
The fat one.
Oh, okay.
The black one.
The black one.
Yeah.
So this is our view. Just amazing. So this is our room. Small, but I think the view is worth it. So there are a lot of beaches right next to each other in this place. One of them is Playa Gopal, where we are right now. It is also called Kite Surfing Beach. It is also called Kite Surfing Beach because the wind in this area is very strong, which is adequate for the kite surfing. So before we go for the sunset, a quick stop over here. those kites over there. I cannot fly a drone over here, it's that strong, the winds are very strong, and these are the kites. So we have reached the beach. Has lights, nice. Good morning. So today is third day and today we return home. That's it. I mean, that was our trip. I don't think there is need for any other information, or I don't think you want to see us go back home with the same route. So I will end the vlog over here. If I don't find anything else, I will not add in the vlog. If that's the case, then consider this the ending. So please do hit like, share and subscribe for whatsoever reason you like the video. And if you have any comments, if you have any feedback or any information that you need, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and I will definitely respond to you. In the meantime, just enjoy the view and take care. See you in the next one. Bye bye.